Yes, summer is here, and this summer feels quite different than the summers before. Well, now people are starting to go outside again, enjoy the sunshine, and yet there is still a lot of confusion in our real estate market. Inflation, interest rates continuing to increase, properties remaining on the market a little longer than before, making people question, is it the right time to buy? Is it the right time to sell my property? Is it the right time to invest? Well, we have all of the data to give you more clarity as to what to do this year and next year. This is Gia Silva, your trusted real estate advisor, and today we have our housing market report for Q2 of 2022. So let's get right into it. Let's start with our residential properties here in Long Beach. In Q2, 508 single-family homes sold in Long Beach and 272 condos sold. Now that was the entirety of Q2. Let's just take a look at the sales that occurred in just last month. There were 167 single-family homes that sold here in Long Beach in the month of June and 70 condos with an average of 14 days on the market. Now that has increased a little bit from the months before, from Q1 and also from last year. Properties are remaining on the market a little longer. The average sales price for a single family home in Long Beach in Q2 was $1,111,000, and for a condo, $559,000. For single family homes, that's an increase of 11% in appreciation, and for condos, about 2.4%. Now for our Signal Hill residential properties, there were 11 single families that sold in Signal Hill in Q2 and 17 condos. Now the average sales price for a single family home in Signal Hill was $1,315,000, and for condos, $484,000. Okay, so let's move on to our multifamily properties here in Long Beach. In Q2, there were 45 duplexes that sold. Out of those 45, 12 duplexes were sold in June with an average days on market of 13 days. That is more days than what we've seen before. And the average price for a duplex that sold in Long Beach was $1,024,000. Okay, triplexes. We've had 11 triplexes sell in the city of Long Beach in Q2. Out of those 11 triplexes, 5 of them were sold in the month of June. Now, average days on market for triplexes is about 11 days right now. That is a lot more than what we saw last quarter and the year before. So again, we are seeing that properties are staying on the market a little longer. And the average sales price for Long Beach triplexes was $1,221,000. And fourplexes, we've had 20 fourplexes sell in the city of Long Beach in Q2. Out of those 20, 9 of them sold in June. And the average days on market for fourplexes is 27 days right now. Yes, that is a lot more than what we saw in Q1 and also 12 months ago. And the average sales price for a fourplex in Long Beach, $1,392,000. Lastly, our Signal Hill multifamily properties, there's only a few that have sold. We've had 4 duplexes sell in entire Q2 in Signal Hill, 1 triplex and 1 fourplex. The average sales price for a duplex in Signal Hill was $1,280,000. For triplexes, $995,000, and fourplexes, $1,290,000. We continue to see appreciation. We continue to see an increase in values from just 12 months ago and even from Q1. And what about interest rates? Well, we ended Q1 with a 4.42% interest rate. And today, we are just ending Q2 with 5.83% interest rate. That is a whole entire 1% increase in interest rate, making people really wonder, is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell or even invest? Should I wait until next year or the years to come? Well, consider this. If it's something that you have been looking to do, sell and purchase a property, or perhaps purchase your first home, take a look at your numbers, look at your budget, consider what you are approved for right now and what that's gonna look like by the end of this year, and make sure that that payment is still affordable for you. So let's recap. Yes, we are continuing to see interest rates rise, and we will continue to see them rise. Two, we are also seeing that properties are staying on the market a little longer, however, still appreciating. We're seeing that all property types have appreciated from 12 months ago and even from just Q1. So if your thoughts last year and even the beginning of the year were, well, I don't know if I should purchase a house because demand is high and there's not enough supply. Since we are now seeing properties stay on the market a little longer, it's gonna give consumers more opportunities to be able to look at more properties and to also negotiate with sellers who've had properties on the market for a little longer than expected. And investors, I'm sure you're wondering, should I even look at properties to purchase now in California? Well, consider this. Yes, properties are staying on the market a little longer, especially multifamily properties. Make sure you are looking at today's rates and what that's gonna look like for an investment property at the end of the year. Once you do your numbers and you have that clarity, you'll know if it's still a good time to purchase something here in California or perhaps go out of state. So there you have it. That's our housing market report for Q2 of 2022 for Long Beach and Signal Hill. If you've been on the fence of purchasing a property, selling a property, or even just investing, this is a really great time for you to gain clarity as to what's happening on the market now, predict interest rates for the end of the year and next year, and know if it's going to be in your budget and if it actually makes sense for you to make a move. Just know that we're here to help and give you all the data that you need. If you found this video informative and valuable, remember to comment below, like it, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.